G'day campers and drivers. I'm Jay, this is Bash, and we are Camp and Drive Australia, so welcome to our YouTube channel. We are today going camping at a place called Lake Lonsdale. It's about 2.5 hours west of Melbourne on the Western Highway, or just off the Western Highway. We haven't been there before, so we thought it'd be a good place to check out. And you chose this place, Bash, so let us know why.
Well, originally I was going to go somewhere closer from Melbourne, but I found this lake is quite interesting because you can camp by the lakes, like really close to the water, and also there are 3 different campgrounds in case one is full, so we can check the other one, and also close to the Grampians, if you ever heard Grampians, because it's quite famous. Yeah, that's the reason.
Grampians, great views, great walking tracks, great 4x4 tracks. We may or may not go there, but honestly, camping and driving, if that's your thing, Grampians is certainly worth a visit. We will do a video there one day, if not this time.
Oh, by the way, show us your new haircut.
Oh yeah, my new haircut, what do you reckon?
Oh, it looks good.
Bash did this for me. So, I did the beard, he did the top. So I was thinking about going full cue ball, because I am sort of, the hair on top is kind of running out. But I thought maybe I could get away with it for one more year. You can let me know if it looks too ridiculous and I'll cut it all off. Comments. Flat Rock Campground at Lake Lonsdale is an easy 2.5 to 3 hour drive west of Melbourne, going up the Western Highway. The lake is only another 15 minutes further than Stawell, and from the lake it's about another 20 minutes on to Hall's Gap at the Grampians. Flat Rock Campground has 2 entrances, those being east and west. It's the west entrance that takes you into where the 2 toilets are. One of those toilets is wheelchair friendly, and the campground itself is easily accessible with any vehicle, so there's no need for a 4-wheel drive to camp here at Lake Lonsdale.
So here we are. Where we are again? Oh,
Flat Rock Campground
yeah,
at Lake Lonsdale.
yeah. It's actually Flat Rock West.
Flat Rock West
Let's see.
Campground. I beg your pardon. I hate to bring the neighbourhood down
Yeah.
by getting the name wrong. That'd be terrible.
Well, there are a number of campground, and we don't know which one which, but this one at the front said Flat Rock West. And when we arrive here, it's busy already, and look at that, there's so many happy campers.
And quite a few flies, but we have the remedy.
And we have all this variety of caravan, from the big one to a little tent. And over there is public toilet. There are 2 of them. So what is your remedy for the fly?
Not sponsored, but this stuff is good for keeping flies and mosquitoes
Bushman.
away.
Yeah, and I hate those things.
Yeah,
It stick on my skin.
It stinks, it's sticky, but it's either that or have flies and mosquitoes crawl over you and bite you. So,
Yeah,
speaking of which,
and that might sit over there, so I better sit down. Are you hungry?
I reckon. What do you got?
Well, let's have a look. This is camping food, obviously. This is a meat in a can, and I'm making fried rice.
Meat in a can.
Meat in a can.
That sounds even worse than saying spam.
Yeah. So that's the veggie, and then
So what have you got there? Just a bag of salad.
this bag of Asian, stir fry mix.
Oh, right, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
We put the rice now because it's already heated up.
So the rice is already cooked. We pre-cook our rice for camping.
Which is much easier. And it lasts for days if you pre-cook it and put it in the fridge. So this is the onion powder.
Right, and how much are you using?
It's probably like half teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon.
Yeah, that's it. And then you put this soy sauce.
Gluten free because I can't eat gluten. Oh, that gives it a bit of colour.
And the smell, if you can smell it, it's actually really good. So I don't put egg here because we usually put egg to make it like a hockway flavor, but we already have a lot of meat in here.
What flavour? Wok hay.
Wok hay. Did I say hockway?
You said hockway. I'm like, is that something I haven't heard of? And then I thought, oh no, that's just another bash word.
And that's the sweet soy sauce to balance it.
Oh, yeah.
Because I don't bring chili, so I just put this one is actually Indonesian extra hot chili.
So is that the last ingredient?
Yeah, that's it. Done.
The finished product, and I'm going to get stuck into it.
There's a lot of this birds around.
It turned out we'd been a bit insensitive in our choice of campground. We had plonked ourselves right down in the middle of this beautiful bearded dragon's home, but he did continue to sun himself in that area regardless and seemed not at all put out by our presence. As well as just being a nice place to camp with your caravan or tent, water activities are also permitted at Lake Lonsdale, so you can go fishing or go boating, or in this guy's case you can take your paddleboard. Obviously fishing is allowed. It's a shallow system, so you'll have plenty of snags and stuff there, but there are brown trout and rainbow trout as well as redfin and tench. So if you want to go to one of the nearby camps, there are boat ramps there where you can launch your boat and go fishing all day if that's your thing.